All right, this is a decently quick video. Sorry for shooting in portrait, it's just easier. I want to get out of here. I want to show you the new demo board, kind of what's on it, because there's stuff that's changed. MS-9200, nothing's really changed, it's been moved down. Still says Happy New Year, I haven't changed that. However, we did put a contact for the DSC in here, and the DSC wireless keypad that my friend gave me is down here. So it does a, and the LCD is broken on it, but it does a tamper. So it says fire alarm tamper there whenever the door is open, and it restores when it's closed. We get the system sensor mass up. It's probably going to come down because I don't have the right plate for it. 3rd gen system sensor remote strobe, that's the same. Wireless smoke detector for the DSC system, that's the same. Firelight SD365. The WT550, I think is what this is. Ooh, that was weird. Yeah, 5500. This is the steering wheel from the van that I totaled. I do plan on trying to wire this horn up to the fire alarm system at some point. That right there is my weather radio, Midland WR120EZ. Might be an activation on that coming up. This is nothing, just a junction box for the SLC loop. This was my very first alarm I ever got 10 years ago last Christmas, so a while ago. Or I guess technically this Christmas, however you want to look at it. 2024, got it 10 years ago. 2014. This is my notifier, I forget the model, dual monitor module. This is my Paxton Net 2 Plus access control unit. Expect more stuff on this. I'll do a whole demo system, or a whole demo of this. If I can get the Pro software activated, I can tie it in with the fire alarm system and do all kinds of cool stuff. Also can tie it in with the security system. And I bought a security system board, so stay tuned. And it is not a Honeywell. This right here is the Paxton Marine reader. I forget the model. I think this is a KP55 reader. I'm not sure. Shoot. Didn't think that through very well, did I? There's a reason why this zone has a pre-alarm on it. Couldn't get to it quick enough. It's got the black trim plate. I might try to find a white one. And there is usually a screw in this, but mine never came with one, so. And you don't really need it, so. The Marine reader comes off its bracket. It's kind of like a vandal resistant reader. There's a little tab there, and you just take my screwdriver in here, forget. Just take a little flathead screwdriver or something and throw it on the floor. Where did it go? You just take a flathead screwdriver, you stick it in there, which releases a little pin. I can't really do it because of the other keypad's in the way, but you stick it in there and you just rotate it and then pull it off the bracket. Like I said, I can't really do it with this, so yeah, I can't do it. There's nothing to see really, but yeah, that's the system. Nothing's on the back of it, just wires and crap. Oh, I guess there is something to show you that I did change. Hilarious that like fell in the middle of the night and activated the thing. All the server stuff has kind of been changed around, or just neater in general. Router's mounted there now, the power strip's mounted there now, the UPS is actually straight, the server hasn't moved. This is, oh, I forgot about that, that's just a little buzzer thingy. It goes off with a certain zone type. Oh, this is now wired directly into the house instead of this, so it'll actually trip when the, I can't get to the trip the GFCI, but the power actually goes out, this will turn on. And let me adjust this head because we might actually have power go out. So let's kind kind of get that in some sort of an optimal position there. It's kind of bounce it off the ceiling, actually, but just do that, kind of how it was. So yeah, that's the system. Leave that open in case the power does go out. But there she is in all of her glory.